Alrighty, Dominic, here's 489 Big Block Chevrolet. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got a set of brass cast heads, custom ground hydraulic roller, Moroso oil pan on it, Edelbrock manifold. We got your sniper system running, getting it all tuned up for you. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, peak torque 588 foot-pounds of torque. Peak horsepower 573, rate at 550, so really good. That's kind of the new cylinder head on it and everything. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things. When you see your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. My engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. You need something from us, that engine number, easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.